George, enjoy this camber kit. It does come with a price. He said, I'm going to send you these camber kits. I want you to do a full install video. I mean, what a great idea. He says, I want to put them on my car. I want to learn to do my own stuff. So I figured basically if I buy the part, will you do a detailed install?
Alright, today I'm going to install my Skunk2 camber arms. Got George here to help me. I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright, the first thing you got to do is you got to jack the car up. And we got to take the wheel off.
Yay! I got this.
Alright, try and pull that wheel off. Ugh, is it stuck? There it goes. Alright, here's the control arm we'll be replacing with the Skunk2 part. This one's just a solid piece, so it's not adjustable. The new one is adjustable to change the camber on the vehicle. So if that's how long your link arm is and you have too much camber, you just twist this and it gets longer. Alright, now on the control arm there's 3 bolts. There's one there, and one here. We'll have George take that one out for us.
Oof. I oofed.
Oh no. It's okay. There you go. Alright. There's one. Alright, then we got that one too.
Oh, if I can't get it up.
There it is.
That's funny. It's like stuck on the thing.
Push it. Alright. Watch out. There's the arm. He practically took it out all by himself.
Yeah, on my butt.
Alright, so here's the control arms. There's the stock one. There's the new one. It's a direct replacement. It uses all the same hardware. You do have to add a nut for the Skunk2. It doesn't come with them. And the old part, you know what we do with the old part? There it goes. Bye, old parts. Alright, and it's a good idea that when you get the new arm to take it all the way apart and then get these, put a little bit of space grease on them. And put that on there.
Here?
Yeah, put on the threads.
Okay.
That way they stay adjustable forever. Put a little bit on that side. Put on the other one.
Other side is over here?
No, on this one.
Oh.
Alright, that's plenty. That way it'll always be adjustable. Alright, and then you install them. You gotta keep going.
Oops.
Did it stay on there?
Yeah. Wait, I do?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this again.
Keep going. No, keep going. There you go. Now do the other one.
I can't find it there. I can't find it on there. Oh, wait.
There you go. Press the button a little. Push it up.
Get it there. I can't.
Go. Oh, it tightened up without the wrench. Gonna hit it again. Alright. Now that one's all in. Good job, George. So then after the arm's on, you put the wheel back on. Put the wrench on there.
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm going to do the other side. It's the same procedure as the first side we did. Just 3 bolts. A little space grease on the threads, make sure everything's good, and put it down.
Good job.
Alright, well there's that arm on. Then go ahead and put this wheel on, then we can lower the car down and see what it looks like. really big bird come to see what we're doing.
Yeah. The big bird wants to work on cars. Hello, bird. Do you like my dad's car?
Alright, this one doesn't look too bad. I don't have like an alignment machine at home or anything, so I really have no idea.
Hey, Daddy.
This one looks like it go in a little bit.
Remember what we do with old parts?
What do we do with the old part? Don't need that anymore. So I'm going to adjust this a little bit. And then, of course, I'll take it for a real alignment because the front needs to be done too. So we'll do that afterwards. Alright, it was a fairly easy install. I didn't use much for tools. A long 3/8 extension. A number 10 ratchet wrench for the ABS lines. A number 17 socket, because everything's 17s. A 17 wrench when you put it back together so you can tighten the nut that Skunk2 does not include. And I used a breaker bar with a 17 on it just to get everything loose enough to use my new Milwaukee gun. I figure I might as well buy one. I've been wanting one for a while. I already have all the batteries because I have a drill and a flashlight, so it kind of completes the home collection. And a little bit of space grease too. Gotta have space grease.
Space!
Yeah, it belongs in space because it's silver.
Yeah!
So we put that on there so that the things stay adjustable for a long time. I'm going to go ahead and lock down the nuts because it looks good enough for now, and the alignment guy will let me know how good it is when he's done. So that concludes installing Skunk2 camber arms in your driveway with the help of an 8-year-old.